everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. You know that whole thing that I was doing, that I wasn't shopping and all that? Well, after I bought the Natasha Denona, that set that I had gotten at Beautylish, then in July, Sydney Grace had the Christmas in July. And last year I wasn't able to shop in her Christmas in July because I was in Colorado. Well, I said this time I am not going to let it pass me by. I was good. I only shopped one day. I think it lasted for a week. I may be mistaken. Anyway, here is the box. All I did was open it up, but I'm so excited. What I did, there were mystery bags. And I think they were like peach, fuchsia, and grays maybe. And then there were light and deep. I think it was. I might have to be putting on my glasses so I could tell you exactly. Anyway, I got 3 of the mystery bags. Then, besides the mystery boxes, she launched a new palette, which I can't remember the name, but I'm sure I'll find it in there. She launched a new palette. When I go to pay, the only thing I was being charged for was for the mystery bags. For the 3 mystery bags, I guess that what they were doing was when you bought X number of mystery bags, I don't know how many, I bought 3, so it may have been because I bought 3, I got the palette. Anyway, we'll see what I got. I'm really excited because, you know, I love Sydney Grace. I love Heather. For those of you that are not familiar with Sydney Grace, I'm sure that you all know, but in case you're not, Sydney Grace is an independent company. It is, the owner is Heather. She's out in California, in Sacramento, I believe, and the company is run by herself along with friends and family. They make the shadows, they make everything themselves, they package everything themselves, they mail everything themselves. So I am always really happy to support an independent company, or an indie company as we refer to it. I'm looking for a slip here because I don't remember what I bought. Okay, well, here's the first one. Obviously, this is a cool. I'm almost certain that I think I bought everything deep. So we'll see, deep tone. We'll see what's in here. And I'm really sorry I have to put on my glasses because otherwise I cannot see a thing. So for $25 in this bag, Fine Arts glitter. I don't know if you could see that. Oh. Then in here is Shooting Star highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I do not have this. I'm not going to swatch everything because otherwise this video will be too long and you'll be bored to tears. All right, this is a highlighter that is a mauve. Put it this way. Maybe you could see it better that way. That should have had it to focus. So that's what's in the first bag, those 2. And then there are 6 shadows. Yay! You know, I always get excited about shadows. Thankfully, I have palettes, Z palettes. Okay, this is Empower. Oh, this is a blush. Oh, this is a blush. That's called Empower. Oh, I am really excited about that blush. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty for me because otherwise you can't see it, but this is my color. So there's the highlighter, the glitter, the blush, and 5 shadows. This one is to the 9s. Her shadows are so incredibly pigmented. That'll be nice for an outer V. I don't think I have this one either. This one looks to be very similar. This is Boss Babe. So I'll swatch it. It's a little lighter gray than the first one. Yeah, it's a little lighter gray. Storm Clouds. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I wanted this color too. Has a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's this one right there. And then there's a black in here. And I'm going to be able to use all of those. And this one's really pretty. I'm not going to swatch the black one because to me, you know, black is black. This is called Happy Accident. Oh yeah, I'll be using this one. It's that first one up on top. Really, really pretty. Okay, so that is in the gray deep mystery bag. Came in this one. Okay, this is the fuchsia, obviously. And again, I asked for the fuchsia deep. So we'll take a look and see what's in here. There's another highlighter, and this one is Making Jam, and it's a gold. And there's more glitter. This one is Very Picky. Yeah, it's glitter. There's a blush in this one as well. This one looks like a shimmery blush because the other one was a matte blush. This one is called Pink Raz. Looks like a raspberry. Let's swatch this one. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's that one. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. This is Aqua Fever. Look at that, how beautiful that is. This is a purple one, and it looks gorgeous. It's called Once in a Lifetime. Yay, I am so happy that I do not have any of these. That's the purple one. Pretty, isn't it? Did any of you get any of these mystery bags? I know my girls are going to be watching this and they're going to be saying, Mom, I want that, I want that. I'll share with them. This one is Pink Fury. Kind of looks like a duochrome. It's this one right there. Yeah, Sydney Grace does not fool around. Then there's a black shimmer one. Oh no, this is green. This is green. It looks like another duochrome. You know I'll be playing with these. This is Under the Sea. And it's this one right there. Oh my gosh, those are stunning. Stunning. And then there's a bronze one. So that was in the fuchsia deep. The last one that I got is the peach deep. Okay, these look very similar. These highlighter. This is Honey Babe, and it's very similar to Making Jam. That's okay. I have someone to give some away. I thought that they'd be lipsticks in here, and some more shimmers. And then the shades in here are all basically peachy tone ones. This is Peach Harvest. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh, I think this is my favorite color out of all of them. That is beautiful. And there's a peach blush in here. I'm trying to decide if I like this wig or not. I love the wig. I love the wig. I'm not sure about the color. I haven't decided yet if I like it or not. This is called Georgia Peach Blush, and this is a matte. There's a brown, which is it looks like a cool brown. Then this is like a terracotta. It's called Southern Flame. That's Southern Flame. That's really pretty. Then there's a lighter terracotta, which is the same as this one that I just showed you, just a little bit lighter. And then there's this shimmer. So let's take a look at the shimmer. This is called Blushing Peach. Beautiful, right? Just as pretty as can be. All right, let's take a look at the palette. I'm excited about the palette. This, you know, I think she launched 2 palettes, and I was late ordering, so I didn't get one of them. I was only able to get my hands on this one, and I'm sure that this is one that I have similar. I'm sure that I have these colors in other palettes. I'm looking down so I don't blind you. It's not that I don't want to look at you. All right, this palette is called Summer Days. And the outer sleeve is the same as the inside palette, which I really like when they do that. Why? I don't know, because that's just what I do. Yeah, this is, I'm sure I have colors very similar, but probably not the same quality. This is Summer Days. Yeah, you get a nice mirror on this as well. I'll swatch a few of these. Okay, so these two are from this palette. They swatch beautifully. And where did I put it? Right there. There are some cool shades. It looks like, yeah, some cool, and it's basically all neutrals. These aren't going to show up on my hand because of my skin tone. But just so you get the gist, they're really smooth. Very, very smooth. Very pretty. It's Wednesday morning and I wanted to get it up for you for tonight. I love Sydney Grace. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you picked up any of the mystery boxes. And this is, like I said, in July that she does it. So I don't think it's going on any longer, but in case you picked them up and you wanted to compare it to what I've got, I wanted to show you. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know how everyone is doing. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time. Bye.